Welcome to TRK Studio, where timeless design meets soulful living. Today, we explore elegance, charm, and serenity in every detail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring home and cabin design journeys. A Victorian-style mansion gracefully set beside a calm, reflective lake, surrounded by flowering gardens and towering oak trees, under a golden morning light. The architecture features ornate gables, tall chimneys, and white decorative trims on soft sandstone walls. The still water mirrors the entire facade, creating a dreamlike harmony between home and nature. Mist gently rises from the lake, blending with the scent of blooming roses and ivy-covered walls. A close view of the Victorian veranda with turned wooden columns, decorative balustrades, and intricate lace-like trims overlooking tranquil water and lush greenery. The veranda floor glows in soft sunlight, revealing the warm tones of polished mahogany wood. Ferns and hanging planters add touches of freshness, while the reflection of the lake dances on the balusters, evoking a feeling of timeless elegance and quiet comfort. An enchanting garden path lined with cobblestones, bordered by blooming lavender, wild roses, and sculpted topiaries, leading toward the grand Victorian entrance. The gentle sound of water flows from a stone fountain surrounded by moss and lilies. Sunlight filters through tall willow trees, casting delicate shadows on the garden, creating a serene sense of movement and natural balance around the stately house. A view of the Victorian facade during the golden hour, when sunlight gently kisses the ornate windows and carved wooden doors. The glass panes shimmer with soft reflections of water, and delicate curtains sway behind them. Architectural details, such as floral moldings and cast iron railings, add character and grace, blending historic craftsmanship with the natural landscape of calm, rippling water. A cozy Victorian living room bathed in natural light from arched bay windows overlooking the serene lake. The room features intricate wainscoting, vintage floral wallpaper, a marble fireplace with carved mantels, and an antique rug under a velvet sofa. Crystal chandeliers scatter soft glimmers across the room, while fresh garden flowers in a porcelain vase add color and fragrance, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere. A Victorian reading nook tucked by tall windows with flowing lace curtains. A tufted velvet armchair rests beside a small round table with an antique lamp and leather-bound books. Outside, the lake glows in soft morning mist, reflecting sunlight into the room. The wallpaper features subtle botanical motifs, and a Persian rug anchors the space, creating a tranquil, timeless escape for peaceful reflection. A grand Victorian staircase with polished oak railings and detailed carvings, rising elegantly beneath a stained glass skylight. The glass casts colored reflections onto the patterned floor below, where a Persian runner leads toward the entry. The scent of wood polish mingles with the faint breeze drifting in from a nearby lake, creating a sense of grandeur balanced by serenity. A Victorian dining room overlooking the water through large arched windows. The table is set with fine china, silver cutlery, and lace linens under a crystal chandelier. Floral arrangements of hydrangeas and peonies add natural color, while rich wooden paneling wraps the room in warmth. The reflection of shimmering water dances gently across the walls, infusing dinner with a quiet, romantic glow. A charming Victorian kitchen filled with natural light, featuring marble countertops, open wooden shelves with vintage ceramics, and a large farmhouse sink overlooking the garden. Copper pots hang above a polished stove, while pastel cabinetry complements the aged oak floors. Herbs and terracotta pots add life and aroma, making the space both elegant and homely, surrounded by views of trees and glistening water. A tranquil Victorian bedroom with high ceilings, floral wallpaper, and lace curtains flowing with a breeze from open windows facing the lake. The four-poster bed is adorned with embroidered linens and velvet throws, while an antique vanity mirrors soft daylight. Fresh peonies rest on a nightstand beside a glass of water, embodying quiet comfort and effortless charm. A Victorian bathroom featuring a freestanding clawfoot tub positioned near tall windows with views of serene water and greenery. The floor has black and white mosaic tiles, and brass fixtures gleam in the sunlight. A soft linen curtain flutters beside a pedestal sink, while candles and vintage perfume bottles decorate marble shelves, creating a calm, romantic bathing retreat. A sunlit conservatory attached to the Victorian home, filled with cascading vines, ferns, and flowering orchids. Glass walls and ceiling frame the reflection of water outside, while wicker furniture and soft cushions invite quiet rest. The tiled floor gleams under filtered light, creating a tranquil bridge between the beauty of architecture and the gentle serenity of nature. A lakeside gazebo in Victorian style, with intricate wrought iron details and climbing roses surrounding its roof. Inside, a small round table holds teacups and fresh flowers. The calm water reflects the delicate white structure, while dragonflies hover above the surface. The setting feels peaceful and timeless, perfect for quiet afternoon reflection or watching the sunset beyond the trees. A charming Victorian library filled with built-in wooden shelves, vintage books, and a grand arched window overlooking the shimmering lake. A Persian rug spreads warmth beneath an antique writing desk, with soft light filtering through lace curtains. The scent of leather and aged paper fills the air, making this space a quiet retreat for thought and inspiration. close-up of a Victorian fireplace with detailed carvings, marble surround, and a gentle fire casting amber light across patterned wallpaper. Above the mantel, a gold-framed mirror reflects crystal chandeliers and the glow of candles. The warmth of the fire merges with the tranquility of the lake visible through nearby windows, creating an atmosphere of comfort and grace. A twilight view of the Victorian home with lanterns glowing softly along the veranda. Reflections of light ripple across the lake, while the garden emits a faint evening fragrance of roses and jasmine. The architecture stands quietly illuminated, highlighting ornate trims and stone textures. The peaceful blend of dusk tones and water reflections creates a cinematic, serene moment. A misty morning at the Victorian estate, where dew sparkles on rose petals and the calm lake emits a faint veil of fog. The house appears like a fairy tale dream, its reflection hazy yet beautiful on the still water. Birds glide across the surface, and soft sunlight begins to warm the garden, awakening the elegant charm of the home and nature together. A panoramic aerial view of the entire Victorian property, nestled between shimmering water and dense green woodland. The landscape flows seamlessly with the architecture. Gardens bloom in structured patterns, pathways curve gracefully, and the lake mirrors every architectural detail. The serenity of the scene feels timeless, blending the soul of Victorian artistry with the soothing essence of natural beauty. Thank you for watching TRK Studio, where beauty, comfort, and creativity come home. If you enjoyed this serene Victorian escape, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next design story.